In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-applicant or roommate on Zillow 2026 guide. If you're planning to rent with a partner, friend, or family member, adding them as a co-applicant is essential. It ensures everyone over 18 is included on the application and gives the landlord a complete picture of your household. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can apply confidently together. First, start the application. Navigate to the property listing you're interested in and select Apply Now. This opens the official rental application for that specific home. If a landlord has already reached out, you may see a Request to Apply link in your email or in your Zillow inbox. Clicking that link takes you to the same place, so use whichever path you received. Before you proceed, make sure you're signed in to your own Zillow account so your information saves correctly. Next, define your household. Inside the application, look for the section called Your Household. Here, indicate the exact number of adults who will live in the home. Adults include anyone on or older, roommates, spouses, or adult children. Entering the correct count now helps the landlord understand the full occupancy and avoids delays later. Now enter your co-applicant's details. For each person, provide their full name, phone number, and email address. Take a moment to double-check spelling and digits. Zillow uses this information to send official invitations, and a typo, especially in the email, can stall the process because the invitation won't reach them. When everything looks right, confirm and send the invites by clicking Done, adding co-applicants. Zillow will automatically email each person an invitation to join your application. Let your roommates know to keep an eye on their inboxes and to check spam or junk folders just in case the automated message gets filtered. Each co-applicant must have their own Zillow account. If they don't have one yet, they'll be prompted to create it before they can access the shared application. After they receive the email, they need to click the link, sign in, and complete their portion. This includes filling out their personal details and, if required by the landlord, authorizing credit and background checks. Encourage everyone to complete their sections promptly so your application moves forward without gaps. And that is all for today. Keeping your application organized and collaborative from the start is the best way to secure your next home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.